S12 GPS drone operation tutorial. Take out the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the drone's battery before flight. Connect the battery. Connect the power supply. The indicator light is red when charging. It turns off automatically when fully charged. Remote control charging demo. Connect the remote control. Connect the power supply. The indicator light is red when charging. Preparation for flight. Unfold the drone's arm. Install the drone's battery. Install the obstacle avoidance module. Insert the memory card. Before starting the drone, be sure to make sure that the drone is placed horizontally. Long press to turn on the drone. Then turn on the remote control switch. The drone will automatically pair with the remote control. Long press to turn on the mapping screen. Wait to enter the mapping screen. Long press to calibrate geomagnetism. Rotate the drone horizontally clockwise to hear a beep. Then rotate it vertically clockwise to hear the beeps again. Horizontal calibration of the compass is complete. Short press to calibrate the gyroscope. Search for the star signal reaches 10 or more to take off. The external 8 lever unlocks the drone, and push the left stick up to take off. Ascend, descend, rotate left, rotate right, advance, backward, left side fly, right side fly. Speed switch 1 beep for low speed, 2 beeps for medium speed, 3 beeps for high speed. Motorized camera adjustment. Short press the obstacle avoidance button. Drone start obstacle avoidance mode. Short press the photo button to take photo. Short press the recording button to start recording. Short press again to save recording. Press the return button. To select file management. To view the saved photos and videos. Press the return button to return to the mapping screen. Press the return button, the drone will return to the takeoff point. Indoor mode demo. Long press to turn on the drone. Turn on the remote control again. Long press to turn on the on-screen mapping. Wait for the mapping connection. Long press the GPS button on the remote control to turn off the GPS. 1 key to calibrate the gyroscope. Unlock the drone within an 8-stroke stick. Push up the left stick to take off. Connect app. Scan the QR code of the manual to download the corresponding app, according to the cell phone system. Long press to open the drone. Connect the Wi-Fi of the drone after the download is completed. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Clip on the cell phone to start flying. Replace the airfoil. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the airfoil screws and remove the airfoil. Please pay attention to differentiate between A and B markings. Install the corresponding airfoil on the drone.